In order to be able to get these seats down here, it is a manual on the driver and the passenger side. Let's go figure out how to get these seats folded down. Now, in order to fold the seats down on the Escape, all we're going to do, you can see this little lever here. You can adjust the seat if you'd like to, but in order to be able to get the seat down, all we're going to do is pull this lever up and then crank that down. Now, if you can see here, there's a tiny little button up here. So as you can see, there's a little button here. If we press that, that's going to fold this headrest down a little bit. It gives us a little bit more space between the driver and then the rear seat here. And there we go. So as you can see, we folded that seat down there. Let's flip her into the back to see how that looks. So we've got the driver's side done there. Let's get the passenger side done. There you go. So as you can see there, we've got a fairly flat bottom here, but there is a little bit of a lip now. So if you want to be able to have it so that it's a truly flat back, all we're going to do is pull this tray out. As you can see, there's some tabs right here on both the driver and passenger side. We're just going to pull this up and drop it down. And there you go. As you can see now, you've got a flat bottom there, which can fit a ton of stuff.